getting on with the new 240 volt Chief Steamer, we want to talk about performance. So as far as performance goes, we couldn't push this machine all the way up to 155. My manufacturer didn't want to do that. Now, of course, I asked him, I wanted as much pressure as possible. He said, with this size boiler, safety regulations only allow us to go to 135. So I'm okay with 135. You should be more than okay with 135 because we're at 240 voltage, meaning that this machine is going to heat up in 8 or 9 minutes and it's going to recover very, very quickly. So as far as the pressure goes, we never tried to chase 200. We maxed this one out at 155. That was a great performing machine, but it was a much bigger boiler. So compromising, we made the boiler a little bit smaller in this new 240 version, but it's still very quick to heat. It's quick to recover. We still have 135 PSI, and we're not going to lose a lot of pressure as we use it. So as we blow steam, and it's a hot day here today, it's hot in the shop, so it's not going to be an extremely So you can choose to be on the trigger as long as you need to be. With 240 voltage, we're not going to drop a lot of pressure, and you can see how fast it recovers. So it recovers back to 135 literally within seconds, and you're ready to go again. So our green light solid means we're ready to go. The gauge shows us we're back to 135. So as far as performance goes, you can be on the trigger as long as you need to. And once we release the trigger and you clean up or wipe up whatever you've just cleaned, the recovery time is almost instantaneous. So the performance is very, very similar to the 155 machine. The only difference is that we're down just a little bit in pressure and we've made the boiler just a little bit smaller, but that's not really going to matter. It's still continuous refill. It's going to operate the exact same way. We're just not getting it up to the 155 PSI. We're getting it to 135 PSI. So the name of this machine, we've renamed this machine just the 240. So it's the 240, just meaning that it's 240 electrical. It's not 240 PSI, it's 135 PSI. Still a great performer, but don't mistake the 240 for 240 PSI. It's 240 voltage. So take a closer look at the product page, and if you need that kind of performance and you're willing to go with 240 volts, this is the machine to go with.